Unlock your memory. How to use mnemonic devices in your daily study routines. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful topic: how to incorporate mnemonic devices into your daily study routines. Mnemonics can be a game changer when it comes to remembering facts, figures, and even complex concepts. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that use associations, patterns, or relatable concepts to help you remember information. Mnemonics could be an acronym, a rhyme, a phrase, or even a song. For example, to remember the names of the Great Lakes, you might use the acronym HOMES: Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, Superior. Acronyms. These are words formed from the initial letters of a series of words. Like NASA, which stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Rhymes and songs. Think of the ABC song that helped you learn the alphabet as a kid. Visual imagery. Creating vivid mental images to associate with the information you want to remember. Chunking. Breaking long strings of information into chunks or groups to make them easier to remember. Method of loci. This involves associating the items you want to remember with physical locations in a space you're familiar with. 1. Identify the material. First, identify what you need to remember. Is it a list? Dates? Formulas? 2. Choose the right mnemonic. Not all mnemonics work for all types of information. For a list, an acronym might work well. For sequential data, a song could be effective. 3. Create your mnemonic. Now, develop your mnemonic. Make it memorable and relatable for you. 4. Practice. Repeat the mnemonic in your head or write it down multiple times. 5. Test yourself. Close your eyes and try to recall the information using your mnemonic. Here's how you can integrate mnemonics into your daily routine. 1. Plan ahead. Incorporate mnemonic creation into your study plan. Allocate specific time to create and practice mnemonics. 2. Review. Mnemonics require repetition. Review them at the start or end of each study session. 3. Apply to new material. Once you're comfortable, try applying mnemonics to more complex subjects. 4. Share and discuss. If you're in a study group, share your mnemonics. Sometimes, what works for someone else might work for you too. There you have it. Mnemonic devices can truly revolutionize the way you remember and recall information. They're not just for simple lists. You can use them for complicated subjects too. We hope this video helps you take your study game to the next level. Happy studying, and don't forget to practice. See you in the next video.